Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade V40S, and today I would like to show you how you can manage automatic screen rotation on this device. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for Auto Rotate icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that automatic screen rotation, is now on. In order to turn it off, just click on the same icon. You can always go into Devices Settings instead and tap on Display section. In it, scroll all the way down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Rotate Screen to switch it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!